Right, so the last build that we did on the show was the Prestone C10. Now, this came to when a friend of mine, Chris May from Holt, South Africa, popped into the shop and asked us to build a promotional vehicle for a new product that they're launching called Prestone. Now, this is an anti-freeze that can go into any car, and it is a great product. We are now using this in every hot rod that we build. Now, this has been a very intense, a very big build. This is not just a quick 7-day or whatever. This is a detailed car with a lot of work that's gone into it. And everything on this truck is custom. Now, I know everybody can't wait to see what this thing looks like and how we finish this thing. So you guys go see how we finish off this truck, and I'm gonna climb into this burger.
Listen to me now.
Now, you can order rubbers for these things from the States, but the only problem I have with that is the original rubbers, I mean, it was a single piece that went over it and it doesn't really seal the door in. So what we do, just to make it a little bit better, is we actually go to guys like Pro Auto Rubber or Rubber for Africa and stuff, and we go find a door rubber that actually fits and seals in a much better. Funny enough, the best one we found so far is actually from a Mercedes-Benz. Got a nice little thick lip on it, and it seals the door much better.
In a dance hall style, white girl, Charlemagne Faubourg.
Now, last week we ended in a bit of a cliffhanger. Everything has been going absolutely phenomenal with this build, and then, Welsh plug started leaking. What can you do? It's just one of those things. Motor has to come out, and we have to fix it. But that, of course, puts us behind schedule. But now the truck is basically done. I mean, there's so many small things that needs to be done, and we're ready to get it out. Firstly, the new windscreen had to go in. The old one just had way too many scratches. We don't like keeping the windscreen out because the car gets way too much dust inside. Now, we wanted to put some Prestone branding on the bed. We use marine ply on the back of the trucks. Now, it's durable, it's water resistant, it just works much better. Now, what we did is we put a varnish over it, and now we had to go with branding. So Matt from CVP brought us a Prestone stencil. Stencil went on, and we used the Holt black to basically just cover over everything. Now, when you do this, you do need to actually pull the stencil off very soon. You don't want it to sit and dry for too long, just in case it starts lifting in some section. Lastly, we come down to detailing. Now, we believe that a car should not leave the shop without being detailed. So Matt from CVP came in, and they made sure that this truck shines like you cannot believe. And we go through every nut and bolt on that car, and we cover up everything that basically just doesn't look perfect.
You find your way in slow. You're mind like a child, but you're growing old. Caught by the undertow, you'll never find anybody worth the word.
We find a 1972 Chevy C10 pickup. Now, this thing was in great condition. Already had a 350 Chevy motor, already had a 700 RT box. So the truck got completely stripped down, and we started the build from the ground up. We pulled out the springs and replaced them with 6-inch airbags. That made sure that the truck got a serious drop. We pulled off those big hideous wheels and we replaced that with 20-inch dubs from MK1. We wrapped those beautiful dubs in a set of Yokohamas. Bodywork was done by Atlantic Auto. They went and closed up all the indicators on the front as well as the ones on the bumper. We replaced that by putting in 7-inch front lights with LED indicators in the glass. We kept everything big and black in the front to make the truck look even more aggressive. On the inside, we went with a complete contrast with the yellow. We went with all black with yellow stitching. We did the same with the engine compartment. We went with all gloss black, nice big shiny motor. At the back, we pulled off the tailgate, we smoothed out everything, and we put nice big pieces of wood on it with the Prestone logo. This truck looks absolutely insane. And it sounds even better, thanks to the guys from Caldy Exhaust.